Namaste, my name is Centinaro and I study in class 9 and the chapter is chapter number 5 and we are doing the topic cells. There are two types of cells, animal and plant cell. I will be presenting plant cell. So in plant cell,
ओके थोड़ा सा आप दिखा दो, जूम कर ले लो मैं. प्लांट सेल आपने अच्छा बनाया भाई, देखो कलरफुल बिल्कुल प्लांट सेल आ रहा है. इनकी ड्राइंग भी अच्छी है ना. ओके चल नेक्स्ट.
So first in plant cell,
नहीं, भूमि की भी अच्छी थी ड्राइंग.
I will be talking about cell wall. It is the outermost wall, and it is there are two walls, two layers actually. Cell wall and plasma membrane. Cell wall is the outermost layer. So in cell wall, it is the outermost layer. It is the rigid layer of the cell. It protects the cell and all the interior organelles of the cell. And it is mostly it is present in plants, fungi and bacteria, and in the higher plants like algae it consists of cellulose. Then is cell membrane. It is a semi-permeable layer of the cell, and it surrounds the cytoplasm. Now what is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is like a thick liquid which it mostly fills up the cell, and it mostly consists the cell, and it consists of water, salt and proteins. Basically, if there would be no cytoplasm, the cell would be dead because it would be too dry. And then there is nucleus. Nucleus is a double membrane and it contains.
तो न्यूक्लियस के बारे में आप कुछ बता रहे थे, ठीक है. ओके.
Nucleus is a double membraned organelle. It contains genetic material which is used for cellular cycles for the future. And then there is mitochondria. It is also having a double membrane, and the structure uses aerobic respiration to generate adenosine triphosphate.
It means ATP. Okay.
And which is used for chemical energy for the cell.
Okay.
That is why it is known as the powerhouse of the cell. And then there is endoplasmic reticulum, ER. It is a tubular network of membranes which is inside the cytoplasm. There are two types, smooth and rough. Now smooth synthesizes cholesterol and phospholipids, and in rough it synthesizes protein, and it plays a very vital role in folding of protein.
Okay.
Then there are lysosomes. There are membrane-bound cell organelles that contain digestive enzymes.
Okay.
They are also known as suicide bags because when any outside material comes in the cells, they burst themselves and the digestive enzymes to protect the cell.
Okay.
And there is Golgi body. It's a cell organelle that helps to process and package the proteins, and especially the proteins that are to be exported outside of the cell. Then there are ribosomes. It's a minute particle, very small particle that consists of RNA and proteins and are found in large numbers in the cytoplasm. Its function is to produce, synthesize RNA to produce proteins for the cell, to energize the cell. Then there are chloroplasts. It's a plastid which has green color, and they are only found in plant cells, not in animal cells.
Okay. Done. Very good. Anybody want to ask any questions?
What is nucleus? Nucleus is the main part of the cell basically because it contains the DNA and
RNA.
RNA, and it only produces more of the cells.
What is cell wall?
Cell wall is the outermost layer of the cell. It protects the cell, and it is a rigid layer because it has to protect the cell.
Okay. Anybody? Naro, I want to ask a question about the chloroplast. Which type of chemical are present in chloroplast?
Chlorophyll.
व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ क्लोरोफिल?
Photosynthesis happens in
इट्स ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड द ग्रीन कलर
yes.
टू ऑल प्लांट्स. ओके, सो आप लोग रेटिंग बताओ भाई. 5 out 5.
5 out of 5.
मैं 4.9 दूंगी. एक कम करूंगी. 4.9 एक कम करूंगी मैं क्योंकि और इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए बता रही हूँ. नारो आप सब सही जा रहा था आपका, बिल्कुल ही सही जा रहे हो और अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया. बस मैं ये कहूँगी सीनियर लेवल पे आप हो तो आप थोड़ा सा नेक्स्ट टाइम में थोड़ा सा पेज जो है कि हम सोचेंगे कि मतलब थोड़ा सा कम हो, उसका ज़्यादा देखना और आपके माइंड में वो चीज़ हो. और बाकी आपने क्वेश्चन भी अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया और टॉपिक भी अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन की. ठीक है, इस इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए आपको मैंने 1 पॉइंट कम किया. चलो ओके, क्लैपिंग करो भाई नारो के लिए. बहुत अच्छा गया.